Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Guys, I am back with another stationery business series video, and today we'll be unboxing from Threadless. We have our tote bag, our cell phone case, and our pillow case, whatever you want to call it, but that's what we have in this video. I did talk about it in the video about whether or not I was going to order the cell phone case from Threadless because that order was very expensive. What I ended up doing is going over to Printful and placing an order for a cell phone case. Yes, I know I want it all to be from Threadless, but I was not about to spend $20-something on a cell phone case. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the package from Printful, which is the cell phone case. I'm going to look down and read off the specs. I ordered the cell phone case on August 27th. It shipped on August 31st and it arrived on September 4th. The phone case that I have is for the iPhone X and XS. I have an X. The total cost for the cell phone case was $15.37. Here's the cell phone case. The little paper it comes in, you can see it right there. It's clear. It has a little styrofoam in here. Take that out. You can feel it on here. I don't know what it's made out, but here's my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it into the cell phone case. And of course, because I have a black cell phone case, you can't really tell. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's there. It's cute. It will serve its purpose if somebody was to read that. You could possibly do that in white. That's the cell phone case. I like it. I actually have another cell phone case from Printful that has been through it. It's the jelly case, so I've worn this out. I've worn it out, but I love this one, and I'm sure it's turned colors by now, but that's the one I have. We're gonna open our Threadless package. I'm gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna read the specs for you guys. I ordered the Threadless pillow and tote bag on August 27th. It shipped on August 30th, and it arrived on August 7th. The total cost for the pillow, which actually looks like a pillow that is stuffed, a pillow was, total was $43.83. It's very expensive. Threadless might be a website that you just use some of the products that they have for each of your designs, and it might not be a full-on thing. Or you could have one great design and just put it on all the products. But again, still print on demand. The bag size, the tote bag is 13 by 13, and the pillow is 14 by 14. I think I did white on both. Right, I'm pulling it out here. See something? Nope, there's nothing inside. The first thing, I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys the pillow. It has something here on the front. I'm gonna take it out of this plastic. And I thought it would just come in unstuffed, but it does look like it has a zipper if you wanted to stuff it. Yep, it has a zipper at the bottom, and it says small business owner on both sides. And I have on my shirt today. Yay, I should have had on my hat too, huh? This looks super cute. I love this size. It's so cute and miniature. Let me see. I think I'm gonna sit it back here now. I might spruce up my whole set with small business owner stuff. And I have the tote bag. So here is a tote bag. All right, so the handles are inside. 13 by 13 tote bag that says small business owner on both sides. It's white and black in the middle, and it has the scraps. Yes. So I got all my stuff bag in the pillowcase. And I had on my shirt today. I'm small business owner overload today. I cannot wait to put all of my stuff on and take a me putting on all of my small business owner products. That is it for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Threadless unboxing, and until next time. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace. Peace.